Assalamualaikum and welcome back. You must be wondering what I'm going to make today. I am going to show you how to make biryani. My recipe is so simple that anybody can make it. When I say anyone, literally anyone can make it. So let's go and I'm going to show you how to make biryani. Make sure you try it. So, are you ready? Take 3 onions and chop them. Heat 1/3 cup of oil and add cumin seed. Add 6 to 7 cloves. Add 10 to 12 black peppers and your chopped onions. Take 1 full chicken. I like to add garlic powder and lemon juice and sprinkle both of them on my chicken and keep them aside for 10 to 12 minutes. Saute onions until they are golden brown and add your chicken. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Add some ginger garlic paste and cook your chicken until water is evaporated. Now add Shan Biryani masala to your chicken. Take 6 tomatoes and chop them. Add your tomatoes to the chicken and let them simmer. Once tomatoes are soft, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt to our chicken. Shan Biryani masala has enough spices if you want to keep your biryani mild. I like to keep it spicy, so I'm going to add 2 more teaspoons of red chili. I like lots of potatoes in my biryani, so I'm going to peel, cut, and deep fry my potatoes and then add those potatoes in my biryani masala. Cook masala at high flame. Keep stirring until oil separates from masala. For 1 chicken, I take 4 cups of rice. Wash them and soak them and boil them with salt and lemon. Cook rice until they're 80% done. Drain all the water and keep some rice in the pot for our first layer. Let's put our biryani masala on our first layer of rice. After putting second layer of rice, here comes garnishing. Take 4 to 5 green chilies, cilantro, bay leaves, and lemon slices. I like to put my lemon slices on top of my rice, and then I'll add mint, green chilies, bay leaves, and cilantro, and some lemon juice. The most important thing is zarda rang or any orange color. Put pot in the oven for 250 on the bake setting and keep it there for around 45 minutes. Now our delicious biryani is ready. Mix it well so you can see all the colors perfectly and serve it with green yogurt or chutney.